Welcome back. Step inside the future of automotive manufacturing and witness how a 2026 luxury BMW is created through a fully robotic, precision-engineered production process. This cinematic factory journey follows every stage of assembly, from raw steel transformation to the final showroom-ready vehicle, revealing the extraordinary technology, automation, and craftsmanship behind modern premium car production. In today's smart factories, robotics, laser scanning, AI-guided inspection, and synchronized assembly systems work together to build vehicles with accuracy and consistency beyond traditional manufacturing methods. The process begins with massive coils of raw steel entering the production hall, where automated cranes and stamping machines shape metal into precisely contoured body panels. Hydraulic presses form structural components with micron-level tolerances, while robotic arms transfer heated panels seamlessly across stations. Sparks, smoke, and glowing metal surfaces illustrate the immense forces and precision involved in shaping the vehicle's skeleton. As panels move forward, the vehicle's frame takes shape under synchronized robotic welding systems that fuse structural sections together with remarkable speed and repeatability. Blue welding arcs illuminate the chassis as sensors monitor every joint in real time. Once the structural frame is complete, the body shell undergoes laser inspection and dimensional scanning to verify alignment and weld integrity. Robotic clamps rotate the chassis mid-air so that inspection lasers can map every seam, ensuring the structural rigidity required for safety and durability. This stage highlights how modern automotive production relies on automated quality assurance long before the vehicle is visually complete. Only after the body structure passes these precision checks does it advance to surface finishing and paint preparation. Inside the controlled paint environment, robotic spray systems apply multiple layers of metallic coating in perfectly measured arcs. Fine paint particles float in the air under studio-like lighting, revealing the depth and gloss associated with luxury automotive finishes. Each layer is applied and cured in temperature-controlled tunnels that harden coatings evenly across the entire surface. This robotic paint process eliminates inconsistencies, creating the flawless reflective finish expected from a premium 2026 BMW. The transformation from bare metal to a deep, lustrous exterior marks one of the most visually striking phases of production. With the painted body complete, the assembly line shifts toward mechanical integration. Robotic gantries lower the powertrain and drivetrain components into the chassis with millimeter precision. Automated tools secure mounts and fasteners while sensors verify torque and alignment. Suspension systems, braking assemblies, and steering mechanisms are installed simultaneously by coordinated robotic arms, demonstrating how parallel automation dramatically accelerates production without sacrificing accuracy. Alloy wheels are mounted and aligned using laser-guided positioning systems, ensuring perfect geometry and balance before the vehicle ever touches a road. Attention then turns to the interior, where collaborative robots handle delicate installation tasks inside the cabin. Seats, dashboard structures, electronic modules, and infotainment systems are placed with care, guided by vision systems that detect exact mounting points. Ambient lighting glows softly across premium materials as wiring networks and control interfaces are integrated beneath surfaces. This stage reveals how automation now extends beyond heavy mechanical work into fine interior craftsmanship, combining precision engineering with luxury design execution. Finally, the completed vehicle advances into the delivery zone, where polishing systems refine the exterior and protective coatings are applied. Robots retract as bright showroom lighting reveals the finished car for the first time. Metallic paint gleams across sculpted surfaces, LED lighting signatures illuminate, and the vehicle emerges as a fully realized luxury machine. The transition from